panghanda ideas for Chinese New Year, our Eat Girl Maui has got you. Nasa Malate siya ngayon para ibida ang isang dim sum resto na magdamagang binabalik-balikan. Good morning, Mama Mau! Anong kwento ng kainang yan?
Good morning, Mama Dips! Nako, napakaganda ng kwento dito. At nandito nga po tayo ngayon sa Suzhou Tea House dito sa Malate, Manila. Ito talaga dinayo natin kasi balita ko napakasarap na kanilang mga pagkain. At para pag-usapan po yan at ang lahat ng mga nakahain dito ngayon, tawagin natin si Jiang Chen, ang owner dito sa Suzhou Tea House. Hi, Jiang! Good morning!
Good morning! Thank you.
Good morning!
Thank you for coming.
Oh my gosh, ang bata-bata ni Jiang. Jiang, how old are you?
I'm currently 21 years old.
21! Wow! And to have a restaurant, that's amazing. Kwentuhan mo kami, paano kayo nag-start dito sa Suzhou Tea House?
Okay, so Suzhou Tea House po started way back in 1999 when my grandparents first moved here from Suzhou, China. Well, if you ask them anong kwento ng Suzhou, they're gonna say simply to make ends meet as immigrants moving to a new country. Yeah. But the way I see it po, it's their way of bringing a piece of themselves from China, bringing them here to their new home and to share it with other people.
Right. Wow. Napakaganda naman pala ng story, no? And itong Suzhou, may yung mga menu nyo dito or pagkain.
Yes,
is this a family recipe?
Yes, it is po. It's
okay.
All of these recipes are made by my grandparents po, from ground up. Yes.
Wow, your grandparents. And yun nga, yung Suzhou is a place. It's a place.
Yes po.
In ano?
It's a place in China.
China.
Yes.
Okay, nice. Okay, etong mga pagkain nyo, syempre maraming Chinese food, maraming Filipino-Chinese dito sa, lalo na sa Manila. Pero tingin mo ano yung kakaiba, Jiang, dito sa inyong mga dishes?
Kasi po, yung Suzhou, it's not like your typical Chinese restaurants. Kasi, what sets us apart for me po is na home-style cooking po talaga. Kasi as I said, yung mga food po namin made by my grandparents, all of the ingredients that comes in our food, they're all handmade in-house po. And all of the recipes passed down from generations to generations.
At saka kasi pag sinabi mo na, let's say, it's a family recipe, yan yung tipong hindi tinitipid.
Hindi
talagang
po
masarap
talaga
ang lasa at timpla. Kasi talagang inihahain sa inyong family members. Okay, Gio, pag-usapan natin ano na yung mga nandito sa harap natin ngayon. Starting with?
First off, we have here is the beef noodle soup.
Ooh, sarap nito sa umaga. Okay.
And this one is the hakao.
Hakao.
This one is salt and pepper shrimp.
Yum!
This one is fried beef noodles. Pan-fried dumplings, I'm sorry. And this one is our steamed xiaolongbao.
Okay.
That is our bestseller.
Bestseller. And
this one as well, actually. This is the steamed beef.
Steamed beef. Okay, at dahil nandito na tayo sa steamed beef, turuan mo ako paano nilalagay itong toppings.
Dapat igaganyan nyo po.
Okay.
Ipopor nyo po yung
Siyempre,
mga
nag-ready na akong kumain. Ipopor pala muna. Ano to?
That is the toppings po. May mga onions po. And may sili din po. Yan eh.
Okay, so igaganon ko lang siya on top.
All of it po actually.
All of it. Okay, isa-spread lang natin like that.
Yep,
wow.
Exactly.
At saka ito yung pampasarap, ano? Talagang pampa-add ng lasa. Uy! Wow, pwede ko na rin batikman to. Okay, tatry natin. Ito yung tinatawag na beef.
Yes, steamed beef po.
Steamed beef. Okay, tapos dapat maganda ba kung may konting Uy, wow. Wow naman. Oh my God, wait. Parang gusto ko nung marami-raming topping. Try natin. Hi, I'm so ready! Wow. Ang sarap nung timpla. Talagang full of ingredients and spices.
Yes, kasi the steamed beef po, it's steamed for hours before you slice it, before it gets prepared.
Kaya pala sobrang lambot.
Yes, it
Okay,
is.
price points. Pag-usapan natin, Jiang. From how much to how much nag-range yung mga nasa harap natin?
Here po,
Ang anghang.
the price ranges here po is around like 180. It starts with 180 here, the xiaolongbao. Yeah,
180 lang to.
And the steamed beef po, since specialty po natin yan, it's 480 pesos.
Pero ang dami.
Madami po
Sulit na
talaga.
sulit. And tingin ko kahit 3 tao or 4 kaya to
sure
Kasi
po,
pasarap pa to sa kanin, ano? Saktong-sakto. Okay, Jiang, I'm so excited. Nakatikim na ako ng napakasarap niyong steamed beef. And marami pa tayong try mamaya mga kapatid. Jiang, magbabalik tayo mamaya. Okay, Mama Dips, we're now back to the studio. And mamaya, tikiman time again.
Maraming salamat, Maui! It is Tikiman time na naman sa On The Go. Kasama pa rin ang ating kapatid na si Maui na nasa hit Dim Sum House sa Malate. Mau, good morning. Nako, ang agang patakam na naman yan. Ha? Ano bang mga best sellers nila dyan na perfect for Chinese New Year?
Good morning, Mama Dips! Naku, tamang-tama. You said the magic words. Yan ang paborito ko sinasabi mo. It's Tikiman time! Tamang-tama ka. Nandito pa rin tayo sa Suzhou Tea House. Dito po sa Malate, Manila. At kasama pa rin natin si Jiang Chen, ang owner dito. Jiang, hello again. Good morning.
Yes.
Okay, tamang-tama. Malapit na ang Chinese New Year.
Yes
Kaya
po.
this is the perfect place to be. Because ngayong Wednesday na yon.
Yes po, this
Okay.
Wednesday.
Jiang, pag-usapan natin ano ulit yung mga nakahain sa harap natin. This time, mas marami na po mga kapatid. Nadagdagan pa kung kanina. Marami ngayon, mas marami pa talaga. Kaya marami tayong titikman ngayong umaga. Okay, starting sa...
Here po is we have our best seller, which is the steamed beef.
Yun, steamed beef yung tinikman natin kanina
Yes
mga
po.
kapatid. Ito naman
This
po.
one is pan-fried dumplings.
Wow.
This one is shallot pancakes.
Shallot pancakes.
Yep.
Okay.
Salt and pepper shrimp. Fried beef noodles. Suzhou fried rice.
Suzhou fried rice.
Again, this is the
okay.
steamed beef. This one is green pepper pork.
Na
with-
nabanggit mo kanina,
Yes
favorite
po.
mo.
Yes, it's my personal favorite.
Okay.
This one is shallot oil mixed noodles.
Oh, okay. And then?
This one, that's our siomai. The
Oh,
yellow one
siomai.
is hakao.
Hakao. Yes, kanina we mentioned that also, no?
Yes
And then, of
po.
course, your bestseller,
Xiaolong
Xiaolongbao.
Bao.
And then?
This one po is the spare ribs noodle soup. This one is beef noodle soup.
Okay. Okay, starting with the noodles, bakit mas dark yung isa?
Beef po kasi yan.
Beef
and,
ito, okay.
And this one is spare ribs. Pork po
Wow.
siya. Beef has the darker ano po talaga.
Ah, darker, parang kumbaga base or broth,
Yes
no?
po, yes.
Ah, sa dalawang to, ano yung mas bestseller, no?
Mas bestseller po talaga si beef.
Okay, at dahil mas bestseller si beef, yun ang una nating titikman. Ito talaga gusto ko sa umaga, mga kapatid, yung mainit talaga at mausok-usok na pagkain at sabaw. Alam mo, ang sarap sa tiyan ng ganito, ha? Yung mainit, tas umaga pa lang. Okay, ito dito ako natuwa. Jiang, 24 hours kayong open.
Yes po, 24/7 po
Wow.
kami.
24/7 and
Yes
24
po.
hours a day.
Yes po.
Pero ano yung peak hours nyo?
Peak hours po namin during lunch and dinner time po talaga.
Okay.
Ayun po.
Wow. Uy, wow. Look at the noodles. Uy. Uy. Wait. Paano ko ba ito kakainin? Ah, okay.
Chopsticks.
Ayun, chopsticks. Yun naman talaga ang tama. Dahil nga, it is a Chinese resto, mga kapatid. We will use the chopsticks. Okay. Tsaka gusto kong pakita lang yung gaano kalaki ang inyong mga... Uy, wow! Umuusok. Ito, gaano katagal yung pinapakuluan to? Kasi, maano eh.
Similar po sa steamed beef namin.
Oh my God.
Usually mga 5 hours po namin. 5 hours po siya naka-steam before we unripe.
Oh my gosh. At talagang malalaman mo, yung 5 hours yun, kasi napakalambot. Yung beef nyo, at lasang-lasa mo, yung beef.
Yes,
Dahil nga
yes.
tagal din palang pinapakuluan
Yeah,
to.
we
Oh my
really-
gosh, it's so good. Magkano to?
That one is around 280 pesos po.
280 pesos?
Yes.
Pero ano siya mga kapatid, punong-puno. So ito kahit good for ito, pwede.
Pwede po.
Okay,
Pwede.
Etong kanina itong Xiaolongbao na banggit natin, isa rin to sa bestsellers,
Yes
no?
po.
Is it really Xiaolongbao or Xiaolongpao?
Xiaolongbao.
Pao?
Yes.
Okay, pero yung iba kasi Xiaolongbao
Xiaolongbao.
sinasabi,
Yeah,
no?
yeah, yeah.
So,
That's
ano
how
yun?
it's spelled po.
Ah, pero it's Xiaolongbao talaga.
Xiaolongbao,
Okay.
yes.
At least naklaro na natin. Matagal ko na gusto malaman yan eh. What is the proper way, Jiang, to eat the Xiaolongbao?
I'll teach you. Can I get us?
Ay, yes. Ayun. I-demo sa atin.
Thank you.
Okay, I love it.
Alright, so here, let's get a piece.
Okay.
And then
Lalo
what?
na ito Chinese New Year.
Yes.
Kailangan may maano natin yung proper way to eat it. Ang laki! Ang laki ng Xiaolongbao, guys.
And what I would do po, since may soup to sa loob, I would grab a bite ng corner, maliit lang. Yung balat lang po, tapos ipo-pour ko yung soup.
Ipo-pour yung soup.
Yes.
Oo. Okay.
Then I'll drink the soup.
Okay.
Doon nyo po malasa yung juicy.
Oh
ng,
my gosh. Ang sarap. Okay, and then?
And then personally, I would dip it in vinegar po.
Okay,
Here.
sige. Paano?
Here, I would personally dip it.
Sige, i-dip ko na rin ha,
Yes
in
po.
vinegar. So, ganyan lang?
Yes.
Okay, and then?
And then eat it in
Kainin
one
lang po.
bite. Yes.
Kaya, isang bite?
Kaya po. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, okay. Try natin pareha sa Gia nga. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wow! Ang sarap ng karne sa loob. Ito pa. Giyang, ikaw muna mag-spill. Ang laki.
Ang galing.
Ito ba ako ba din? Pahirap kumain ang laki. Kaya na. Giyang, magkano ulit to?
This one is 180 pesos po for 4 pieces.
Okay. Pero wait, ang sarap. Natatawa na ako mga kapatid. Ang laki eh. Ang laki na siya nung bawal na talagang kahit dalawang subo, kaya yun. Pag gusto niyo po ng katahimikan sa buhay, kaya mo na kayo sa unang bawal na. Naka 3 minutes na yung mananahimik. Kasi ang laki. Ang laki talaga. Okay. Okay mga kapatid. Napakasarap. I love it. Wait, ito kidding aside, napakasarap ha. At saka ang sarap nung ito nyo, kayo rin gumagawa nito.
Yes po, yes
At
po.
yan may luya.
Yes, yes.
Bakit may luya?
It adds a kick of flavor po
Tama,
when you
no?
eat it. Yeah.
Kasi isipin mo, minsan pag may luya, tinatanggal ba yung,
Yeah.
yung lansa? Pero hindi, wala namang ganun kasi hindi siya seafood. So it's really to add the taste, ano?
And it balances out po.
Okay, oh my gosh, sobrang panalo. Naku, eto dito ako, wait lang, last na ha. Dito ako na-surprise. Kasi ano ulit to?
These are shallot pancakes, a light snack po namin.
Light snack. Ano
Yeah.
to? Matamis? Maalat? Anong lasa nito?
It's a little bit savory po.
Savory. Okay, so
Very
pancake
subtle
siya
taste
na
na po, yes.
savory pancake. Try natin lang.
I would also personally dip it in vinegar.
Vinegar, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Ang sarap. Okay, I am so excited. I'm so happy, Jiang. Maraming salamat. Napakarami ang nakahain sa atin na perfect sa darating pong Chinese New Year ngayong Wednesday. Jiang, yung mga kapatid natin talagang natatakam na. Imbitahan mo naman sila kung saan kayo mahanap.
Okay, so you can find us in our social media pages on Facebook at Suzhou Tea House. And you can also find us through your delivery apps from your phone.
Perfect.
And you can contact us 0956-175-2953. And we are here in Suzhou Tea House, Mabini Street, Malate, Manila.
Tama, Mabini Street, Malate, Manila. And once again, this is open 24
Yes.
hours, 24/7.
Yes po.
Hindi po nagpapahinga dito ang mga pagkain. Talagang ready to eat and ready to serve. Ano? Napakasarap. Maraming salamat, Jiang, for your time. And maraming salamat po sa napakaraming pagkain na nakahain sa ating ngayong umaga. And that is it for today's On The Go. Back to the studio muna.
Maui, grabe talagang kami, involved kami. Pag na-refill ko, naku, ang sarap siguro ng kinakain. Thank you so much, Maui. At titiyakin natin dahil 24/7 pa lang bukas ang
Yes.
Suzhou.
Oo.
See you there. Sarap.
Mga kapatid, Maui David po. Simula ng inyong araw na may alam at may pakialam sa mga may init at umaaksyong balita sa bansa. Para maging una sa balitaan, mag-subscribe at mag-follow sa social media pages ng News 5.